In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate and make changes to the menus in your Shopify store. This guide will help you manage your collections and organize your items effectively. So, let's dive into the process. First, open the Shopify admin panel by navigating to your store's homepage. You'll find this link either in your bookmarks or by simply searching for Shopify admin in your browser. Once you're there, ensure that you're logged in with the correct credentials to access your store's backend. This is crucial before you proceed to make any changes. Now that you're in the dashboard, our focus will be on organizing your store's menu content, which will streamline the customer's browsing experience. Next, from the dashboard's main menu, look for the Content option on the left-hand side of your screen. It's typically located under the Online Store category. By clicking on Content, you'll be able to access all media and written items associated with your store, including blogs, pages, navigation, and more. The Content tab serves as your central hub for managing all elements that communicate with your customers. Once you've entered the Content section, direct your attention to the Menus tab. You can find it among various options because it is usually highlighted or at the top of the content list. The Menus tab is essential because it allows you to create, manage, and edit the navigational menus of your online store, contributing to a seamless user interface and customer experience. After you click on Menus, head over to the Main Menu option. This is the primary navigation menu that appears on your store's homepage and typically contains links like Home, Shop, Contact, and other significant sections of your store. Customizing this area is crucial as it dictates the ease with which visitors can find products and information on your site. Lastly, locate the shirt item within the menu list. This is going to be dragged into the Collections category. To do this, simply click and hold on the shirt item, then move it under Collections. This action effectively organizes your product under the correct collection, ensuring it's accessible for customers looking through specific categories. Dragging items can seem simple, but it's a fundamental task that maintains the structure of your online store. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can rearrange your Shopify store's items effortlessly to enhance navigation and improve customer experience. Regularly updating and organizing your menu items not only keeps your store look fresh and professional, but also helps in boosting sales by facilitating customer access to your products. Thanks for following along and happy selling on Shopify.